here's my little makeshift flower boxes. It's just Dollar Tree flowers stuck in to some foam, and then there's these little long baskets, and it's hard to see, but I just screwed them in to Playhouse, and then you just stick your basket in. Perfect. And then the doorknob that came with it broke because it was so dried out, so I bought some rope from Ace Hardware. It's like 59 cents a foot or something. Tied a knot, burned the ends, and did a knot on the other end. So that's my little doorknob. Found this button on Amazon and it makes a ding dong sound, so I just painted it, glued it on. I have another flower box here in the front window, and then this is a little lantern from Michael's. It was super cheap, maybe like $2. I took the glass out, bought a plant hook from Lowe's, and hung that up in the front. So it's pretty cute. So there was this piece that came with it. It's like a picnic table, but if you flip it, it's an oven on the other side. And I was starting to make a new like oven top with a Dollar Tree placemat, but this piece just like stinks and is so nasty, even with the pressure washer. So I'm just not gonna reattach it right here, and instead I added these little baskets from Dollar Tree, and then she can just like put whatever she wants in them.